Though Captain Phil was late to start the season, the gamble to fish the edge of the ice pack is paying off in spades.
Stuff in the tanks, stuff in the tanks.
We've hauled 5 pots and we're getting consistent 500s. If we can average this all day long, we're gonna be in tall cotton for sure.
Jeez, I don't think he skipped a heartbeat.
But the celebration is short-lived.
We're calling for 41 Cs. Well, when they're forecasting that much wind, you better worry about it. You start getting wind and they're forecasting 41-foot seas, it's serious. Just take windows out time.
If it ain't hell, they ain't happy. The new season of Deadliest Catch, Tuesdays at 9. It's all new on Discovery.